road stretched by dust and rye, as shadows dance across the plains, the breeze whispers a lullaby. The cowboy's heart feels no pains. Stars awake in twilight's glow. Mountains hum their ancient song. In the silence, rivers flow, where the cowboy's soul belongs. Under the evening sky so wide, harmony with the land and tide. Moon and stars as friends so high, nature's embrace never lies. Wildflowers bloom under moonlight, crickets sing their softest tune. The horizon's edge so out of sight, bathed in the warmth of a silver June. While deer